I'm not gonna shoot up a
Dancing.
school. I'm not gonna shoot up a school. I said I'm not. I'm not.
I'm
not.
not gonna shoot up a school.
I'm not gonna
I'm
do
not
it.
gonna do it.
I'm not.
I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not.
I'm not gonna shoot
I'm
up
not.
a school.
No, I'm not. Or any other form of facility.
No, I will not commit any acts of violence.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not.
I'm not.
Or like a massage parlor or anything like that. I'm not gonna do it.
You're the best big brother I could have ever asked for.
Oh, what's in the store? Always gotta check the store.
You could probably turn your music down just a touch.
Yeah.
Just a ever so slightly.
Just a hair.
Ever so slightly. Let me give Chives that good audio.
There you go, Chives. Monkey.
Big
Must
monk.
return to monk.
Big monk.
I don't really like that skin.
Yeah. Please change it.
All right, here we go.
Is there nothing in the store really for me? Although I did change my tag. It said
Tag.
stay frosty. Stay frosty.
Stay frosty. Oh,
I gotta change.
we're
the-
actually on Fall Guys. You know what that means?
Fuck Seesaw.
Fuck Seesaw. Still hate Seesaw. With
What?
a burning fucking
Wait,
passion.
why is there a black bar?
Oh, that's from the poker game.
Oh.
Yeah,
But
because the
why-
poker didn't take up the whole screen.
Yeah,
But this does.
Oh, okay. There you
Yeah, no, we're good. Well,
I know.
Ah,
I know.
professional streamers.
You just throw that there. There we go.
There we go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Nailed it. Professional streamers. Why is Discord giving me so many notifications? Holy shit. Okay.
You're so popular.
That's not the word I used.
Wow. Should I put my gamer glasses on?
Gamer glasses?
Gamer glasses.
Oh, my gamer glasses are over there. I'll join you. Double gamer glasses.
Gotta stay hard.
Stay up. Hello?
Are ya?
I am unfathomably erect.
I was saying hard, not erect.
I'm very upright. I'm hard.
Do we need to take a break?
Haters iffy looking at the stiffy
Yikes.
Stream is iffy BP acting sussy. Why did I start all the way in the back? What the fuck?
Fuck you and your bussy. What?
Please?
Kill me.
All I want for Christmas. Oh, we're doing some bouncies. Okay, this is interesting. This is one way of doing things. We're mostly... Oh, there you are. Don't. There we go. What's up? I made it.
Woo! Almost died. There we go.
Well, I fell.
Fucking
We're
yeet.
just gonna keep rolling.
All right. There we go.
We're through. Okay. Ooh, right side, best side.
And I am
Right
in
side, tight side.
under first top 20.
Top 25. 25. I thought for sure you were gonna take 25.
I
after
thought
took
about it.
24.
I thought about it.
If you had dunked on me like that, then I probably would have been like, I'll probably win it like 2 to 1. You know, but I was
You
still
piece
winning.
of shit. You piece
I was
of
still
shit.
winning.
Just wait till we get cocktails, though.
I'm gonna win there too.
No bullshit.
I'm undefeated
No.
right now.
No.
You kidding me?
No.
Fucking L.
We have a
L for love.
we have a plan.
Love you, bro. Thanks for the win. Taking this to the bank.
We have a plan.
Unlike the stimmy,
we have
because I
a-
was dependent.
We have a plan
Fuck
to.
you, Bob.
We have a plan.
Sorry, you were saying
I'm
something?
trying to move shit forward, and you're over there being a one-man show. Fucking.
I thought you realized that's what this was.
No,
Was
no.
me being a one-man show.
No, we go off on it. We go off each other. I am not a streaming personality by myself, but with you.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but you're not the show. Anyways, we have a plan in the future to draft. You fucking grabbies. We have a plan to draft baseball teams using a list of 10 cocktails. And I definitely am sure I'm gonna win that one.
Yeah.
Because I'm the one with the knowledge, with the most knowledge of the cocktails.
Do you ever worry that you gave me too much knowledge?
No. Because I
Oh,
still have
craps,
more. I still
craps.
have more knowledge than you.
Did you die?
I died.
I almost died trying to see if you died.
No, I was just being a fucking idiot. fell through a gap.
He's over there talking all this hot shit about he's gonna win, and he fucking dies on this game mode.
I said I was gonna win in the draft. I didn't say I was gonna win in Fall Guys. Can you pull a Superman and jump on the edge around that block
Probably.
and then come back on?
I'm not gonna do it, but you probably can.
I feel like you can't. I don't think you can change direction if you jump midair.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. You definitely can. I've done it. Fruit. Run
One more
across
person needs to die. One more person.
our- Ding bang bop bada bop boop pow. Oh. All right, all right, all right.
Okay, okay. Oh, can you right click on my camera?
No.
Well, we'll do it after you're done. We'll do it after you're done.
What do you want to do?
I want to see if you can zoom in using my camera. Cause I that's a property of the cameras, but only certain cameras allow it.
Ah.
If your camera can zoom. I don't know if mine can. So
I
we'll
doubt
find
it, if I'm being honest.
out. We'll find out.
I fucking hate this game mode.
I would win this game with easy.
Yeah. Oh my god. Push. There we go. Fuck you, Duolingo owl looking ass.
Is that what it is?
It's an owl. But it looks like the Duolingo owl.
Oh.
Can I get some precise movement, please? Thank you.
You're asking a lot.
I am asking a lot.
Why are you so fucking needy?
Doesn't love much as a child.
Fucking codependent ass.
Guys, you have to.
I don't think anyone understands the point of the game here. They're just waiting for the wall to go down
Oh my
far enough.
god!
They're waiting for the wall to go down far enough so they can use that ramp.
Oh my god. I need an MRI.
You got cancer?
Maybe I'm the idiot for not realizing this. Oh my god, I can't see where the fucking block is relative to.
What just happened?
Oh my god.
You got that block over there.
I'm not gonna qualify.
You're not, no.
I blame this alligator.
I mean, you can blame whoever you want, but...
That's what I'm blaming it on.
Alright, alright.
Fuck. Absolutely.
None of you are qualified.
Not on this one.
Dicks. Well...
Dicks!
Oh shit, I didn't leave.
Every season starts at dicks.
Wait. Every kiss begins with dicks.
I'm not quite.
Wait, no, I think that's right.
Should dicks and K jewelry get like a joint thing for like tennis chains for athletes?
Yes. Yes, they should.
Because every kiss begins with K at dicks. Done, right there.
Easy. Easy.
God, no one. I'm in the right profession, let me tell you.
You're a marketing genius. Holy shit.
I'm killing it out here.
fucking kill it. Do I need to bring up some Reddit?
We're playing Fall Guys.
Yeah, I know. Just in case one of us dies. I die. Just in case I die.
I was like, just in case you die, 'cause I'm not
Just in case
pulling up
I
shit.
die.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's an interesting one. Am I the asshole for being mad at my wife for opening our daughter's letter?
Yes.
That is interesting.
Or, well, no. The wife is the asshole. Why are you opening up letters?
That aren't a trust to you.
Yeah.
I was an adult when I was living at the parents' house.
Oh my
getting
God,
mail. They would open
It's
my
actually a crime.
shit. Actually a crime.
And just morally wrong.
You have mail. You have something. You have a package. What's in it? Or, oh, okay, cool. It's a blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know. I ordered it. Why'd you open it?
Yeah, how do you know that?
Why'd you open it?
Hey, what's this 3-foot long box?
That's what I was
doing
about to.
there?
That's what I was about to go. I can't buy all my sex toys. When I was living with them, couldn't buy them all.
Not all of them.
Not all of them. You know, you could buy like a spiculum. They don't know what it's for, but
A nice ball and chain.
nice ball and chain. Some Benoit balls.
That's not a sex toy.
Nope.
You just don't have an open enough mind.
Anything's a dildo. If you're brave enough.
No, complete. Oh my God, this game is so unplayable when everyone's fucking 12. See? 12 is not a good number.
Likely.
Fuck you, Doom guy. Come here.
And I'm number 2, baby.
Saw you up there. Killing it. Okay.
I was looking at video cameras.
Yeah.
There's a solid 4K camcorder that you can use while it's plugged in. $350.
I was gonna get 250, but
So,
that's a lot though.
I mean, it is, but also
That's how much that camera was worth.
yeah. But I bought fucking GoPro for 300,
That's true.
and it was complete shite. So
It's true. You're pointing out facts.
yeah.
Copy printer.
Well, because I was like,
Facts.
what is like? There's obviously some good ones out there,
Yeah, oh yeah.
but like ones that you can use while it's plugged in, and one that has like actual high fidelity.
Good questions. Good questions.
That's all I think I found.
Well, they have to exist because streamers have them.
Well, exactly. That's what I'm saying. And then I also found one that was $1,500 that we can get eventually. But we spend $750, get a couple cameras. Maybe maybe get another one and have a wide.
Well, if we both get hired
That's true.
or whatever the fuck, then yeah, maybe.
That's true.
My pushback is Moist Critical has an audience, and
Yeah, I'm not
he
saying.
films on a fucking potato. So
Yeah. These are facts.
undisputable. I got absolutely tossed like a salad. Okay, I'm just going this way apparently. Move out of the way, you fucking hot dog! Thank you.
Why are you so mad?
Because I hate hot dogs.
You hate wieners?
Glizzies.
Okay.
I'm a Glizzy Gladiator, bro.
Okay.
Top 5! I finished in front of you, bitch.
It's because I got pinched.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch.
I was in front. I was
I
number 1.
got pinched forward, bitch. Get good at the game.
Bitch.
Bitch. That's right, your facts ain't got no job.
This lobby's fucking toxic. This lobby's toxic as shit. I don't like it.
I want Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 lobbies back.
I think what we were trying to do yesterday or last time with the poker, we were just trying to make that lobby, that table toxic.
No. I was just lamenting about how my wife left me when we took the kids. Stupid bitch.
Sorry, I was trying to make it toxic.
You were trying to make it toxic. I wasn't against it.
What was her fucking name? Sonia got a lot of
Sonia.
gifts. She got a lot of gifts.
Shout out to Sonia, my one true love.
My one and only.
I gave her a ring. She didn't even say thank you.
What a bitch.
Ungrateful ass.
What a bitch.
Honestly. Men are just never enough these days.
No.
All men.
Hashtag all men. Hashtag believe all men.
Yeah!
Oh my fuck.
Okay, this guy's just deliberately getting get absolutely thrashed.
You laughing at me?
Yeah.
Oh.
You laughing at me? Yeah.
You talking to me?
Fuck it! Oh my god! I can't play the game. Such garbage. Uh oh. Slime's coming.
Oh shit, that's dude, fuck
Oh my
you!
god!
Fuck you!
These fucking players! They just stand in front of the way and they're like, I don't know how physics engines work, I'm just gonna stay here and turn and jump and hope things go well. And it's like, no, you dipshit, I have to get on the platform away from the thing that's trying to knock me off the platform.
But
Ah!
I'm gonna get fucked. Okay, there we go.
No, keep getting fucked. I want you to get fucked.
What
You can't grab the edges. Can't grab those edges.
You can't?
No.
That's bullshit.
Well, otherwise there would be no reason to have the obstacles in the game.
I don't like your
Don't get
tone.
yeeted.
I don't like your tone.
Don't get yeeted.
I'm gonna get yeeted.
Well, I want you to get yeeted, but don't get yeeted. I'm trying to be supportive. Oh, you
What?
just said fuck the slime.
What are these fucking hammers? Alright.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh! Fuck!
Dude, come on.
I know!
That's the thing that you fucking fall off.
I know!
Yo, leave the game. That's, oh my god, that's pain. That's grade A pain right there. Oh my, really? Of all the things, it wasn't even an obstacle. You were just like, I don't know how to turn left on my controller.
I was focused on changing my camera.
We're going back in, baby.
Just smile through the pain. It's okay, everything's alright.
Just keep
I'm not gonna shoot up a school.
dancing.
I'm not gonna shoot up a school. I said I'm not. I'm not.
I'm
not.
not gonna shoot up a school.
I'm not gonna
I'm
do
not
it.
gonna do it.
I'm not.
I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not.
I'm not gonna shoot
I'm
up a
not.
school.
No, I'm not. Or any other form of facility.
No, I will not commit any acts of violence.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not.
I'm not.
Or like a massage parlor or anything like that. I'm not gonna do it. Not
Not gonna
do
commit
it.
crimes.
I'm not
be
gonna do it.
violent,
No.
hurt people. I'm not gonna hurt people.
No, because why would you? It's criminal. I don't even want. I don't even.
Immoral.
I don't even want to go against TOS on Twitch. So why would I commit criminal acts? I'm a good boy. Yeah, no, I immediately regret saying that because I'm not. I lied. I don't want to be a liar.
I was gonna make a lot of jokes about you being a good boy after that. So.
What are you? What? I don't even want to know now.
I'm like the fucking dog that you are.
I'm scared.
You sweaty hound.
Okay.
You see these hammers? How I'm avoiding them?
Yeah, weird. You avoid the hammers?
Yeah.
Wait. You avoid obstacles?
Yeah, usually. Not a requirement, but technically, yeah, you should.
How fucking dare you? Oh, yeah. Every time.
Twitch discovery, am I right?
Every time. We need mods to automatically change our shit.
We need a community to have mods. I know you don't like how I said that. I already know what's going through your head.
What's
Sadly, it's not me, but
what's going through my head?
again, not me. So I'm disappointed. But What's the Stephen A. Smith meme? Oh, come on. We all knew it, but you didn't have to say it.
We have to keep up this fake audience the whole time, dude.
What fake audience? They're right there.
That's what I'm saying. We don't have to.
None of it's real. Money's not real. People aren't real. Businesses aren't real anymore. Nothing has value, yet everything has value.
Hashtag fake business.
Wantrepreneurs.
Wantrepreneurs. That's one of my favorite fucking words.
Almost plummeted to an early death trying to Superman to her. Pirate! Fucking move! Run it. No! Mega Man! Watermelon! Watermelon! Post Malone.
After Malone?
Pre-Malone. There's a pre and post. The existence of Post Malone
Pre-Madonna.
implies post Madonna.
Post Madonna. Oh god, now I want to use that. Fuck, now I want to. If it hasn't been used already, I want to use it so bad.
Post Madonna.
Post Madonna.
Wow, 11 people have fallen already, and you haven't. That's a
Yeah.
miracle.
Hey, whoa, hey. Just
Well,
because of
just
that
saying,
one
the last
time.
round was.
Just because that one time.
At band camp.
It was one time at band camp. Jesus, it doesn't make me gay.
No, but one time at church camp it definitely does.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
Bible camp.
Bible camp. In fact, that's probably why you were there. So.
In fact, that's part of the All American Reject music video. That's how prevalent that problem is.
Did you see?
Who has to know?
Did you see Flagrant 2's interview with Chris Hansen?
Yeah, I did.
They asked him, what would happen if you just like walked into a Boston church?
Take a seat, all of you.
Sit down on this pew. Take a kneel.
Take 5 for me.
You know what's so funny? Every time we went to church when I was a kid, all 3 times when we went to church when I was a kid,
Fuck, I hate this.
there was people like we were just taught to just go sit in a pew. I was never
Shut
taught.
the fuck up.
I was never taught to do the whole kneel cross thing before you sit in a pew, and then I see people do it, and I'm like, what are you doing? You're being way too extra.
Yeah, they
And
are.
it was people just being way too extra. Why you gotta kneel? You're kneeling and doing the sign of the cross as you're about to sit in the seat that you're then gonna kneel
You
in.
gotta
like,
kneel
before
to
you
Crash
kneel.
Tyson.
Are they protesting something? Is that what they're doing?
Protest.
They're protesting God.
They're grotesting.
Protesting. Nah, getting fucked.
Fuck,
Get up.
I'm getting
done.
fucked. I'm getting fucked. I'm getting
I'm
fucked.
done.
I was the.
I was being dragged that entire time and
I
qualified.
was the. Oh, you qualified.
I qualified.
I was the 10th person to fall.
Oh.
Should have been you.
Yeah, well, sucks to suck.
I should have been an only child.
Sucks to. Well, yeah. Well, I would have been the only child.
No,
I was the firstborn out of all 3 of us.
I should have been an only child.
Out of all 3 of us, I was the firstborn.
I'm saying I didn't commit acts of violence.
And to those of you who are asking, 3, yeah, we don't have another brother or sister. My mom had a miscarriage when I was 8.
Wow, just airing her dirty laundry like that.
I don't know.
What?
We talked about abortions.
Yeah, but not her abortion.
That one wasn't an abortion. Well, yeah, no, by definition it wasn't.
Same result.
Kid's dead, who cares?
I'm a very outcome-oriented person.
Kid's dead. Kid, it wasn't.
Wasn't
a kid.
even a kid. It was
Wasn't
5
even-
months.
It was a fetus, yeah.
It was literally a parasite.
And then she had to get a hysterectomy afterwards.
Yeah.
Put it to.
Oh,
the
your team's fucked. Oh no. Okay, here we go. They're getting with the program.
It's all right.
See, look at you. You're at 28%.
Yeah, but red's.
Yeah, but red's red. They really should be fucking yellow. That's what they should be doing.
Yes.
Yellow's trying to fuck you because grab him. Fuck that guy. Wow, that recovery speed. There you go. Some snow on you. Red has all of the snow.
Yep. Perfect.
Nailed it. Oh, you're collecting mad snow now. Here you
That's
go.
what I'm saying. Fuck y'all.
Just push it straight. Oh, okay. Or no.
What are you doing, dude? What are you, duck?
I want to. This reminds me of Rocket League. Big ball, shiny ball. I gotta touch. Doesn't matter where it goes. Gotta touch.
This way, you fucking idiots. Jesus Christ. How is it so difficult?
They're able to push the ball. They get a little chub in their undeveloped pants.
I remember my first
Their
boner.
pants are undeveloped. Not.
I remember
That's what that sentence
I
meant.
remember my first boner.
I know.
No?
Oh, why would you remember? That's weird.
Actually, I probably don't remember my first boner. I remember the first time I came, though.
Yeah, I remember how old I was. I don't remember the first time.
I remember the first time because it freaked me out. Well, it didn't freak me out. I was kind of like, what just happened?
I saw it coming.
Huh.
No, like I already knew what happened. So I was just like, oh.
Oh, see, I didn't know that.
Oh, so I did.
I mean, I knew it was a thing, but like I didn't know I could do it myself, kind of thing. I was just like, hey, this feels
I
good.
thought everyone had penises at one point.
No.
When I was like 3.
Oh yeah,
Because that's all I knew.
Even girls had penises.
Yeah, because that's all I knew.
Well, today.
I was just ahead of the curve. Flatten
Just
the curve.
ultra progressive. Flatten the curve.
Oh, it's the final. They both suck.
Well, I'm gonna suck.
I think the strat is to be in the mid game, the mid level, because edges do not seem to be winning us crowns.
I just like to play it close to the vest. I don't know. I honestly don't know.
I think you just like to edge people.
I like to edge myself.
You would count as people, barely, but you count as people.
I don't know if there is a specific strat to win this game, other than just like don't be an idiot.
Yeah, you're asking a lot.
There's answers I don't know. Yep.
We got one. Things are getting a little saucy.
Yeah, they're getting a little hairy here now. What are these people doing? They're like gliding across.
I saw a YouTube title, and it was, "She claims to eat 4,000 calories a day while staying diced to the socks."
Diced to the socks. What the actual fuck does that mean?
Shredded as fuck.
Well, I could figure it out.
You
in
can
the
actually
context.
kind of figure it out, which is the weird part.
Yeah,
Right?
context clues.
Yeah, but like, diced to the socks.
Diced to the socks.
You're gonna have to live in some sort of hospitable zone at some point.
Yeah, it's starting to get a little.
I think we destroyed too many blocks.
Nope, not enough. Fuck
Got one
him.
guy.
Fuck
You're gonna have
him.
to dive.
So fuck you! You grabby piece of fuck!
Got him.
God.
Got him with
Damn
the
it!
grabs. Got him with the grabs. And now it's just who has the most real estate. Oh, this guy's playing it close to the vest. Oh, he's going for it. Oh,
Look at this guy. This guy's got it.
at least he lost to the win. Probably. Yeah. 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 At least he lost to the winner. So there's that.
I guess. I just want to win more than one crown.
No!
I know it's asking a lot.
It is a lot. We've been streaming for not 2 hours. Alright. Well, it's not 9 o'clock, so
What?
we got time.
What? Yeah, it's only 8:45.
Oh, it's Snapchatting me.
You're still on Snapchat?
Yeah.
Apparently, I've heard, whether or not this is true, that Snapchat might be back on the rise again. Because they lost to TikTok and Instagram for a little bit.
Yeah.
And now it's back up or getting there. Something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Why?
Snapchat's a nice reprieve from algorithms.
That makes a lot of sense.
That's a lot of it.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I think it has a lot of staying power for that reason. I actually have a couple of the little like show things, like one's from SportsCenter
True.
that I watch. That's good.
Well, that, and I think also as long as Snapchat keeps innovating, Instagram will just keep stealing from them.
Yeah, which, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's decent interactivity, but like not.
It's actually more of a
influence of
messenger
algorithm.
than anything.
Yeah, which I actually really like. I think
Yeah.
social media should be more geared that way anyway.
Yeah.
I like the way Discord's laid out.
I've heard people complain about Discord, and I'm like, how? What are you doing?
For what?
I barely use it. I'm in like
Toxic gamer culture. I'm
I'm
a
in, like,
woman. Ah!
I'm in like 5 groups, and it's all just art shit. And I mute almost all
yeah,
of
that's
them.
the thing.
I mute them all.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's the thing I can't stand. Is your negative experience does not mean the platform's bad.
No.
It means the people you interacted with were bad. So stop interacting with shitty people. You're in control of who you interact with.
But Austin, it's social
Personal
media.
responsibility. Ah!
Well, it's
Jordan Peterson's a Nazi.
It's the death of personal responsibility, and we've already been over that. So.
Yeah. Fuck. No, I was trying to stay away from the mob, and the mob ruined all of the game for me.
As is normal.
Just want to play the game. People don't know how to play. Swan dive.
Into the best night of your. Fuck me!
There's a hammer. You know what that means.
Move, you fucking idiot!
That actually kind of worked. This is flattening rather than crossing. How nice.
Fuck. Alright, that works.
12. How you doing over there?
Staying alive.
Ah.
Staying alive! Ow! Alright.
Jamon! You know what's really hard? Rocks.
Hard rock! I was watching an analysis. So you know what butt rock is? It is the genre of rock that encompasses like Seether, Stained, Breaking Benjamin, stuff like that. And they call it butt rock because a lot of radio stations were like, nothing but rock. In the early 2000s.
love that
so they call it butt rock. And some people have opinions on it and all that jazz.
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
I think it's fine.
But I was watching a video talking
Ass
about
rock.
I was watching a video and it was talking about how butt rock influence is now really huge in modern hip hop.
Yeah. I believe
Because a bunch of artists used to listen to like rock and metal and stuff like that, and then they got into rapping.
Yeah, a lot of my favorite rappers were metalheads.
The thing is, though, why did they get into rapping instead of another form of musicianship?
I think a lot of them were introverts and loners. Hip hop's something you can do on your own versus having to be in a band.
Yeah, I guess. I can see that.
Alright, here we go. This game's too easy. I'm speed running this shit. I don't even know what's happening to him. That guy went zooming. Oh, I'm all the way over here.
I don't understand how people are so stupid.
No. I was gonna be top 3. Alright, I'm top 10. Alright. Ooh, just slid by it. Cutting it close, cutting it close. Oh, rest in peace to that guy.
Get yeeted. Again.
Oh.
Again.
Looks like a team game coming up. There's 30. Team game, but not a fun one.
Snowy scrap. Scrap-a-doo.
And I'm in the back, so I can't actually.
Wait, is this season 4 yet? Or is season 4?
I don't know what's going on. It's probably season 4.
I thought season 4 got pushed back though.
I don't know. Guys, you have to push it into the snow. We're missing snow on our way down. What is that guy doing? What are they doing? Okay, guys, we have to push it.
Pick a side.
This side wins because I said so. Alright, I'm the lead push. I'm the lead push. Here we go.
There's too many people.
Oh my god. Yellow got our way.
Now just push it this way. Yes, push it this way. There you go.
No, come here, Red. Fuck you.
Into the punchies. Into the punchies.
Red's trying to fuck us.
They're doing an alright job.
Alright, yeah, push us up. We'll take that. Oh, fuck. They push us to the side again. How is Red faster to our own ball than us?
That's
what I'm trying to figure out. Like, how fucking Cajun are our teammates? Guys, stop trying to push it through Red. Just push it to the punchies where Red isn't.
Does Red disappear once they win? Yes. Okay, good. Like, just get him out of the
Push it this way. There we go.
fucking Christ.
Alright, now we just have to beat Yellow, which we're not doing a great job of. Okay.
Alright, now just, yep.
Push it to the punches. Push it to the punches. Push it to the punches. Not quite what we're looking for, but it's up there.
Now keep.
No, guys, left.
I can't even reach it because they're pushing it too fast.
Well, I'm just trying to get some snow on it. And oh, we have more on it than I thought we did.
97, 98. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Fuck Yellow.
That wasn't too bad. Yeah, fuck Yellow.
Fuck Yellow!
Not as hard as Seesaw, but fuck Yellow.
Fuck Yellow Seesaw.
Fuck Yellow Seesaw. Fuck!
You peach deadlifts?
I peach deadlifts.
Peach.
I peach, you peach, he, she, me.
Peach.
Yeesh. Peachology? The study of peaches? It's first grade, Sponge Peach.
Peach Bob.
Beach Bob. Sponge Peach Bob pants.
Wait, what? Fuck.
I completely whiffed on the hammer.
I hit you, and so I didn't.
Oh, I got absolutely thrown. This is perfect. Could not have asked for a better outcome out of the.
I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah, you are. You got time.
Maybe I am. I just got yeeted. So, alright, get up.
That's what I'm saying. You pretzel bitch!
You pretzel bitch!
Fake pretzel!
I'm not gonna make it.
No, yeah, I believe in you. Oh, the numbers are not in your favor.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby!
Suck it.
Suck a dick!
Suck it.
Yeah.
Suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick.
Suck a dick. Suck a huge or small dick. Oh, I'll suck your huge or small dick.
Suck a bag of dicks. Do you want me to suck the bag or
Or
take
take me out individually?
and suck them? But Austin, if we say suck a dick, we're shaming bottoms for their preferences.
Wow, that timing cannot have been better.
What?
Well, guess who the first guy eliminated was?
You?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I went to jump over the arm, and then the platform underneath me fell.
Oh.
And I thought I was gonna land. So I'm just going down with the platform.
There's no one on the other side. Should I try to jump for it?
No,
No.
because it's gonna fall off.
It's only one of them. Fuck, but everyone's on this side though.
Yeah, but that's gonna be the first to fall.
Oh fuck. Yeah, now we're partitioned. Oh, there's too many people here. Oh fuck.
Yeah, now you wish you were there, huh?
I do. Fuck.
Whoa. Getting dicey,
It's
getting
getting a little,
dicey.
it's getting faster. Fuck. Alright.
Okay, that's smooth. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, there we go.
I'm not even worried.
I'm not that worried unless people are grabby.
Oh, they will be.
Yeah, right.
I have zeroed out my mind.
Shit.
7 people remain. 6 people remain.
I don't
5 people
I
remain.
don't like being where I'm at.
This nerd ass over here is struggling a little bit.
I'm getting a little sweaty. God, that's so fast.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of the name of the game. Whew. I didn't think you were up in time, if I'm being honest.
How long does this go? Holy fuck! How long does this go on for?
4 left.
Oh!
3 left.
Ah! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Left.
Oh fuck! Oh shit!
Yo.
Baby!
Let's go!
Getting that crown! What is up?
Oh yeah!
Woo!
Woo, baby! Woo! I just got a DUI.
My heart's fucking racing.
I can't believe that. You're fucking.
I get.
That reaction. Exactly. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My heart races more than if I were to play Dead Space.
Alright, well now I gotta get one.
Let me get another double crown stream.
It's we need to start like a. There's definitely a way where we could stream Fall Guys 7 days a week with an alliteration. 2 Crown Tuesdays.
2 crowns.
We don't end the stream until we get 2 crowns.
Oh fuck. Oh shit, that's forever.
Could be 30 minutes. Could be 9 hours. Who
Could
knows?
be 9 hours. I have other things to do. I have
What?
other work that makes me money.
Content. This is content.
Oh, this is content.
This is content.
Oh, you know, Chives is gonna edit it down so it's 30 minutes, even though if it's a 9-hour
This
stream.
is content. This is content.
It's a 9-hour. It takes us 9 hours to get 2 crowns, but Chives makes it 30 minutes.
Just the 2 runs, 5
Yeah,
minute video
yeah.
gone. Not even the whole show, just the whole.
And after everyone, it's like only 2 rounds. We did 2 rounds after everyone. Ah, shit. Oh, you know what I was thinking? I want to do another edit, but not a logo this time. You know the videos that play at bowling alleys when you get a strike. I want to do that.
That meme.
I want to do that, but then it says sadly related on the thing.
You know it can't be on a good ball. It has to be on like a gutter ball. Or
Yeah,
some
it's
shit.
got to be like a spare gutter ball.
It's got to be a brain rolling into the
yeah.
gutter.
Yeah.
Mine in the gutter.
I'm gonna figure that out. That's
We'll
edit
workshop it.
Yeah, it's an edit I want to do.
Yeah. What we got there? Avoid fake doors. Real fake doors.
Real fake doors.
Quality stream. High professional stream. Why am I in the back?
Because you a bitch.
Because I'm just gonna make a race joke, but maybe not on Twitch. Look out! I'm gonna say something racist.
Probably not. Today's probably not a good day.
Not
to
to
do
be
that.
racist.
Not to be racist, but Asian people. If you don't get that joke, you're wrong. Even though it's
Oh my god!
even with
Go.
what happened today,
Go through. Wow!
I can't.
Absolutely Resident Evil in front of me. This is just the 7th version of Resident Evil. I literally can't play the game. This is cancer. I need an MRI.
Oh, just all right.
I need an
Fine,
oncologist.
cancer.
I'm not gonna qualify. I'm not gonna qualify.
I got yeeted into the finish line.
I'm not gonna qualify.
You should have used the. You should have used the Edis.
I couldn't.
Oh,
I
well,
couldn't.
big Edis.
There's literally, I started in the back, and the fucking clusterfuck just clogged everything. I couldn't get through a gate, and I'm just like, waiting to get through a gate. And I'm like, I'm not gonna finish. I mean, I normally don't finish, but at least this was somebody else's fault this time.
It's not someone else's fault every other time.
No.
It's not the woman's fault,
No.
even though they think it is.
Correct. It's not you. I just jacked off 3 times today.
Yeah. That's no excuse. I did that last night, and I still was fine.
Were you drinking a lot of milk? Was that the secret?
Nope. Pineapple juice.
That's not how that...
No, it's not. It's fucking not, obviously.
That's a taste joke. I mean, it's a tasteless joke, but it's a joke about taste. Are you doing okay? You running smooth? Right. Left. Right.
Well.
Okay.
It's fine.
Whatever that was, that
It's
works.
fine.
Yep, just ride the momentum, baby. There you go. Saw that coming. I feel it coming. Jump. Avoid the hammer. Avoid the hiccup. Avoid the hammer.
Bodies. Just fucking bodies in front of me. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. I can only count to 1. I can only count to 4. I can only count
What
to
comes after 1,
2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4.
1. I can count to 1, 2. I can count to 2, 3. I can count to 3, 4. I can count no more.
I saw an edit. It was Chop Suey, but only vocals and drums. No bass, no guitar.
I don't like it. I already don't like it. Chop suey, but you wake up late.
That one I still didn't understand until he played it. I was like, what do you mean, but you wake up late? Like, what do you mean?
You have to jump over. Okay, yeah.
I know that. I was waiting for it.
Some people don't. Some people don't understand how engines work, or physics, or timing.
Or time.
Just jump!
Or
jump
life.
now! That didn't work. I'm gonna jump now! Wait, why am I not on the platform when the thing knocks me off? I'm gonna jump now! Yep. You got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Ooh. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Cutting close for me. I don't like that. Yup, 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 yup. Don't get smashed. There we go. Easy. I'm feeling the back-to-back crowns. Back-to-back crowns.
Don't put that on me, Ricky Bobby.
Back-to-back crowns.
Don't you put that evil on me.
Coronas? Back-to-back Coronas?
Now the pressure's on.
I forget what crown in French is.
Crown.
Clown.
You just say it in a
Clown.
fresh accent.
Clown.
Crown.
Clown.
But it's
Any stupid Americans and the fucking clowns.
it's spelled CREAUXN.
That's how the Cajuns say Crohn's. I hope they all have Crohn's.
Crohn's disease. Oh gosh.
No, I'm saying I hope they're all descendants of royalty, because then the incest would make sense.
Oh, that okay, yes.
Also, I hope they have Crohn's disease. I do not actually wish ill Twitch. I do not actually wish ill upon any particular group of people. It's just a meme.
The fact that we have to
Even
explain
though they
jokes,
deserve it, I don't want them to have it.
the fact that we have to explain jokes makes it not funny. I don't understand.
No, but you can make the explanation.
Oh no, you can for sure. But it's just like, when did
I got a joke.
what?
Twitch support. Bad.
Where'd our stream go? I just want to be the leader of the cha-cha.
Right foot. Let's stop. Wait, that's not.
Wait.
Hey, mambo.
Oh fuck me! Don't. Dix, get up! What the fuck? My God!
You were actually gonna be okay if you just kept going over the ice.
I know. I didn't have control. I didn't have any control of that.
Well,
Thanks for jinxing me. Piece of shit.